Hello and welcome from Kolmården, the amusement park zoo thing. Here with Zoe and we literally came to this park, beelined it straight for the ride that's behind us, which is
Wildfire.
Wildfire. I mean, that's an impressive sight, to say the least. So what did you think? Literally, we just got here, straight in the queue, 10 minutes, waited around, watched it, had a look. Anticipation was building, and Zoe?
I don't know what to say. We've only been on it twice, but it's definitely up with the top rides that I've done.
Top dogs.
Yeah. So I'm not sure yet of exact positioning, but it was amazing.
It definitely is amazing. As Zoe said, up with the top dogs. It's hard to rank so far. It's not running the best, and you can tell that it's not running the best, but it's running really pretty well for what it is so far. It's a fantastic coaster filled with fantastic elements. That first drop is insane. It's just an insane ride from start to finish, really. Later in the day, when it's just bang, 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 I can imagine it'll be very, very good. For me, it's definitely fourth in my rankings. Just whether it's better than Terran, Helix and Carnan, gotta decide, but man, it was an experience. First RMC as well, which is fantastic. Glad to finally have gotten those. But now we're just gonna take it a bit more easy, have a look at the rest of the park, because we pretty much just blitzed through everything, didn't we? Just ignored everything, straight for Wildfire, but now we're gonna have a look at the rest of the park, see what there is to offer, and then go on from there. Definitely more rides on Wildfire later on, when it's a bit more warmed up. So stick around, we'll show you some of the animals, show you some of the shows, show you some of the other rides. So yeah. At this point in the video, I'd normally talk about what I did at the park, but it was a very busy day and didn't actually record that. And as you just saw, we did the sea lion show. And we thought it was a good show, but most of it was talking based, and obviously being in Swedish, we couldn't understand it. It was a fun show, the animals, you know, they did some tricks and all that, but from that experience we decided to not do any more shows the rest of the day. After that it was on to food, and we had some curry, which was actually really good value. Surprising because everyone says Sweden is expensive, and we all know that theme park food is expensive. But no, it was good value, good stuff, and they have very good recycling in Kolmården. As you can see, there's like 6, 7, 8 different places where you can put all of the different materials to recycle them all. So there's fantastic stuff there. Anyway, after we had eaten, it was on to one of the main rides at the park other than Wildfire, the safari gondola. So we've just done some other things at the park. We've done the Skyride gondola that takes you across all of the animals. And man, that was something else. That was a really nice way to see animals, you know, it's different, it's unique, and the animals get loads of space to roam around. I really like that. I think it was a great addition to the park. I agree, Harry, it is a fantastic ride, and a long one too. It actually lasts about half an hour if you're just going over all of these animals. Anyway, next up was our final rides on the RMC Beast, Wildfire. So Wildfire, I honestly don't know what to think about it. It's definitely a really, really good roller coaster. I mean, everyone knows that and that's a fact. But as to where it ranks for me, I'm honestly not too sure. There's things I love about it. The way that it throws you about, I guess this is on all RMC coasters, the way that they all throw you about. You're out of your seat every moment this possibly can. You're being thrown to the left, right, up, down. It's quality, but some parts I don't like. The restraints, I'm not a huge fan. The seatbelt is really annoying and hinders throughput. There's not a lot of space in the footwell underneath kind of where you put your feet in the train. The restraints, they're a bit bulky. The shin guards are really annoying, especially if you've got long legs like me. And there's some elements of the pacing that are a bit slow and the ride slows down a tad. But you can really forget about all of those. When you're at the top of the lift hill, at the top of that, like 50 meters high, you can forget about all of the small, little minor problems with it, and you just go, wow, this is a roller coaster. Right now, I'm thinking it probably sits in my number 2 spot. Maybe the problem is it's hard between, for me, Helix or Wildfire. I think it doesn't beat Carnage for me just because of the fact that it doesn't have a build-up. There's no theme, there's no anticipation. You kind of just get on and it's a roller coaster, and it's a pure roller coaster. And people who like that will like that. Me, not so much. I do love the chaos of it, love the speed of it, love the forces of it, but it's not an experience. So it doesn't take my number 1 spot for that, but a solid number 2 at that. I couldn't agree more, it really is a solid ride. Anyway, enough about my opinions. We actually visited the park with some of Zoe's family, and they were brave enough to ride Wildfire with us. So let's hear what they had to say about this massive coaster. So we've finished our rides on Wildfire, ended up with 5 in total, so it's just hiding in the background. And all 5 of us here, we all rode Wildfire, and we all had very different thoughts on it. I think it's fair to agree. Me and Zoe loved it. These guys, not so much.
Well, it sort of goes up and down and it twists round and round, and before you know it, your stomach's in your mouth and your feet are in your ears, and
yeah,
I mean basically that's what roller coasters do, so yeah, it was pretty good, I thought.
I really didn't enjoy it. I was looking forward to the view at the top, but I had my eyes closed, so I missed everything. From the moment I hit the top of it, I closed my eyes, held on with my elbow, bruised it quite badly, didn't like going upside down, took a very long time, felt a bit sick towards the end, and was really pleased it was over.
And James, hopefully a more positive review from you.
I thought it was alright, yeah. Felt involved the entire time, so...
there you go,
yeah,
positive review. Happy days, and Zoe obviously.
It was very good. I don't know what number it is yet. Everyone's going to be asking this question. I don't know, but it was very good. I'll say it's better than Wicker Man.
That's been it for our day at Kolmården. We've had a good time.
Yes.
Some things we haven't really talked about is first the gondola. You like the gondola?
Yeah, that was the best part of like the zoo bit, because the rest of it was just a normal zoo. But did you say what it was?
Yeah, it's like a gondola ride over various
animal enclosures.
Yeah, but they were
massive, so it was really good.
And just generally, there's lots of animals around as well. Loads of different shows to see. Loads of different kind of. There seems to be more talky stuff, and obviously when they do it all in Swedish, we can't really get the gist. We watched the sea lion show, which was
good. They were funny, but we didn't understand the plot of the acting they were doing. No, which was a bit hard to then follow what was going on. But yeah, there's lots to see in terms of animals. You can pretty much just wander around the park and manage to find things to do. But obviously the main highlight for us here was Wildfire and getting on that. There's loads of other rides, but the park today was really busy, so we didn't really get a chance to do them. So we did just ride Wildfire 5 times instead of queuing, say, half an hour for a crap kiddie coaster. Yeah. Weird vlog this one. Got Greenland coming up next. That should be a more normal thing, more normal vlog. We need to get more rides here.
Yeah, more.
Then we can vlog.
More big coasters would be quite cool to see here.
Yeah.
Maybe in the future, maybe they got plans. Who knows? Who knows? Wildfire, new number 2 coaster maybe. Need to get back on Helix and really decide for sure. What about you?
I don't know, 2 or 3.
Yeah, it's definitely up there as a pure coaster. Anyway, thank you for watching this one, and we'll see you all next time.